Hello and welcome to all of you. Today we will discuss about how to rent a bike from Meezan Bank. So don't waste any time. We go to the Google Chrome and type here Meezan Bank bike Ijarah. So here is a website of Meezan Bank, and this is complete detail about Meezan Bank bike. Now we will discuss about how we can get a bike from Meezan Bank. So what is the Meezan Bank bike Ijarah? Bike Ijarah is Pakistan's first Riba-Free motorcycle finance facility, which is based on Islamic financial mode of Ijarah, leasing. You all know about leasing. It is ideal for individuals who want to get interest-free financing for acquiring a motorcycle. Bike Ijarah work through bike rental agreement, under which the bank purchases the vehicle and rent it out to the customer for a period of 1 to 3 years, agreed at the time of contract. Upon completion of the Ijarah period, the vehicle will be sold at a token amount or gifted to the customers. Here is some key features about the rent of your bike from Meezan Bank. First of all is 2 free periodic maintenance. Number 2, low monthly rent. Number 3, rental after delivery. Number 4, fast processing and delivery. And number 5 is takaful available. And what is the salient feature of bike Ijarah? Basic features. Number 1, mode of financing is Ijarah. Ownership. The bike will be registered and insured in favor of Meezan Bank before it physically possession is given to the customer. Product offering: all Suzuki, Yamaha and Honda motorcycles variants. Facility tenure: the scheme is available for 1, 2 and 3 years. Advance rental: minimum 15% to 50% of total cost of the vehicle. Facility available in Karachi, Hyderabad, Multan, Lahore, Faisalabad, Rawalpindi and Islamabad. Processing and documentation charges: non-refundable processing fee of Rs 1800 will be charged, whereas documentation charges will be charged at actual. Registration charge at actual and recover in monthly rental. The mode of payment: through post-dated checks, direct debit instructions of Meezan Bank account, direct deduction from your salary by employer only in cooperative cases. Takaful premier will be paid by the bank and will be recovered through Ijarah rental from the customer. Maturity of Ijarah: at the end of lease period, the vehicle will be gifted to the customers. Early termination. What is early termination? In early termination, the customer has the option to buy the motorbike on the agreement or agreed purchase price mentioned in the purchase price schedule. And what is the unique selling point for this? Number 1 is Pakistan's first completely Sharia compliant motorcycle financing scheme. Lowest per month rent, lowest processing charges, lowest upfront payment, first rent after 1 month of delivery, available of takaful, and last one is competitive services. And how is bike Ijarah Sharia compliant? Because this point is about Sharia, and we will discuss further what is Sharia compliant. Bike Ijarah designed under the supervision of Meezan Bank Sharia experts is unique to bike leasing facility provided by other banks. And that are the rights and liability of owner versus users. You all know about that. The bank and the user. This is the rights, liabilities. And what is the rights and liabilities? That is an Islamic Ijarah is an asset-based contract. The lessor should be ownership of asset during the period of the contract. Under Islamic Sharia, all ownership related rights, ability should lie with the owner, while all usage related rights and liabilities should lie with the S user. A conventional lease contract does not distinguish between the nature of these liabilities and places all liabilities on the user of the assets, which is contradictory to Islamic Sharia. So, under Ijarah, all ownership related risks lie with the bank, while all usage related risks to lie with the users, thus making lesser the true owner of asset and making income generated through the contract permissible halal for bank. So this is all about the Sharia. So next step is required document. What is the document required for the rental of your bike between your and the bank? The general requirement is number 1, copy of applicant CNIC, computerized national identity card. Number 2, 1 passport size color photograph of applicant. Next is copy of driving license. Next is declaration of financing, and next is signature verification form. And what is the specific requirement for this? For salaries individuals, those persons who are salary holder who can apply these documents as under, like original certificate copy of bank statement as at least 6 months, original certified copy of pay slip, employer certification including tenure, designation and your salary. And what is the specification for businessman users? This is 1, original certified copy of bank statement last 12 months, 2-year proof of business like tax return, bank certificate and other documents. So next step is who can avail bike Ijarah facility. So that is a most important step. So all you please concentrate on this. Number 1 is you should be the citizen of Pakistan for the rent of your bike. Number 2, your age will be 20 to 65-year-old for businessmen and 20 to 60-year-old for salary holders. Minimum income requirement is for salary holders are 25,000 gross salary per month, and businessman can get 40,000 income in a month. Debit burden ratio 35% of net monthly income for salaried and businessmen also. Down payment minimum 15% of cost of the vehicle and maximum 50% of cost of the vehicle. And what is the tenure? Tenure is 1, 2 or 3 year as per user requirement. Next is payment mode through post dated checks, direct debit instructions of Meezan bank account, direct deduction from salary by employer only in corporate cases. And next is check return charges. Check return charges would be levied as per the bank schedule of charges. Takaful coverage as per Takaful company's policy. Company policy is given in this website. You can easily read this. Now 250cc bike you can apply, and for this bike eligibility criteria is totally different from normal bikes. And that is, what is this? Minimum income requirement should be, salary percent is 150, 1,50,000 rupees per month. Businessman should be on 2 lakh per month. Down payment should be minimum 30% of cost of the vehicle and maximum 50% of the cost of the vehicles. And debit return ratio up to 40% of net monthly income for salaries and businessmen also. And what is the application to apply for the bike, and what is the procedure for application for the bike, is that there are only 3 steps you can get your bike easily. And number 1, fill out a customer application form available at any branch. Number 2, attach the all requirement documents and submit your application with the 1800 non-refundable processing fee. Number 3, get your financing approved in a 5 to 7 working days. So guys, these are the only 3 steps to apply your bike. Next is, if you want to download your form for bike, you can see this link and you can download easily from this link. So that is the complete procedure how to apply a bike through Meezan Bank Ijarah. So I hope you like this video. Next video we will be calculate what is the ratio of your assets and what is the total price of the bike, and how many years you can complete the rent of bike. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching.